So, you want to host a website for free. In this video, I'll show you the best way to host a static website for free and save hundreds of dollars in web hosting per year. There are two types of websites, static and dynamic. Static websites are simply made of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and media files. Dynamic websites use databases, for example, WordPress sites, blogs, or e-commerce shops. If you want to host a dynamic website for free, we have another tutorial for you. Check the videos above. In this video, we will be focusing on hosting static websites only. There are so many ways you can host a website for free. Some ways are better than others. In this video, I will tell you what are the best options and which ones give you the most value and features. First, you want a solution that lets you use your custom domain name, have no ads or credits, have decent speed, decent storage and bandwidth, and it's absolutely free forever. The best options that meet this criteria are Google Drive, Firebase, GitHub, and Netlify. Google Drive is an interesting solution, but it's not the best option on this list. However, if you're interested, here's a video tutorial. The next best option is Firebase. This is a very professional and reliable solution, but it has some limitations and it's not the easiest to set up. Next, we have GitHub, which offers decent features. GitHub is a very popular and reliable solution. Finally, Netlify. If you want the best option, here is where you get the most value and the best features. Netlify is our favorite solution. Here's why. Netlify is super easy to use. It offers 100 gigabytes of storage, advanced options to enhance website speed, CDN, custom domain names, easy integration with Google Analytics, and free SSL certificate with one click. Hosting a website on Netlify is super easy. First, go to netlify.com and create an account. Go to Sites, drop your website folder in this area. Next, click Set up Custom Domain and type in your domain name. Go to Options and click Set up Netlify DNS. Click Continue. These are your name servers. You have to copy these values and paste them on your domain registrar. Go to the website where you bought your domain name. In my case, it's namecheap.com. Find your domain DNS settings. Here, select Custom DNS and insert the 4 name servers in this area. Save changes, go back to Netlify and click Done. It's as simple as that. Now just wait a few hours for the DNS propagation to complete. Open your browser and type in your domain name. You should see your website online. This symbol next to your domain name indicates that your website is secure. Netlify automatically installs your free SSL certificate. And there you go. This is how you host a website for free. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more productivity tips. And always remember to work smart, not hard.